Tuesday. What's Tin-Yetti cooking today?
Alright guys, I've got a really technical video for you today, so bear with me and keep up. Right, we're making caramelised mint brulees. So first of all, really carefully unwrap your mint. Like that. Don't need that anymore, that can go in. On our specialised technical stick here. Now you can get them from good boutique food stores, you should be able to get them. That should be alright, you might have to get them online. Obviously I've got this fire, it's running at about 476.5 degrees. So right in there, nice and close, getting a bit of colour on it. You want to bring the camera in a little bit closer? Not too close, we don't want to burn the camera, but you know. Bubbling away, bubbling away, bubbling away. Oh yeah, look at that. Uh-oh, stick's on fire. I have to buy another one. And there she is. Now I'm gonna wait for it to cool down because I don't want to burn my mouth. Give it a go. Alright, it's cooled down enough.
Mom, you know I accidentally put it straight in my mouth again.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. It was a minty anyway, so.
Awesome.
G'day guys, my name's Amy and I'm going to teach you how to roast a marshmallow, or like I like to call them, it's a mallow. I prefer the pink ones, just cause. Put it on your stick, yes. We got these from I don't know where, Coles, RJ, somewhere. Pop it in your fire, spin it around. Now, if it's still pink, you haven't done it long enough, alright? You want it really, really on fire, like that, okay? Nice and on fire. And then blow it out.
Mom, there's a bit
Doesn't that, oh no! Doesn't that look delicious, guys?
Yeah. Look.
Now, the good part. When you pull it off, how good does that look?
Mom, you did it a lot.
Magnificent.
Oh. Mom, how did you
See you later, guys.
How did you take it out?
See you next Tuesday, or on the water.